कंपनी को एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ मैं। Location of exploring press. This is press machine. This is pressing here. Press to the jobs, and this is spindle of operations, and this is horizontal, vertical forging machine. Vertical forging machine. This is our offsetting machine. Offsetting machine. See how it's working. And this is a cordio machine. Cordio means differential machines. This is heating machine. Small heating machine. Explore. This is fan. All of this scrap materials. All scrap material. All scrap rejection materials are coming back. Rejection material. It's rods of weakness using the job cutting machines. So today explore some little bit. Same pipes are using. This is a heat treatment machine. Heat treatment, which is today off. This is the cultivate machine. This is exploring. Cultivate machine. This is cultivate machine. Exploring today. This is the heat treatment machine, and the jobs are rejection. So it's good, but job proper is not working. It's a one ton press machine. 1 ton press machine is stopped. So forging also stopped now. Night shift forging also stopped. It's a 2 ton B offsetting machine. So today it's closed. Stop. All workers are going outside. This is 2 ton B machine. It's that one is offsetter machines. So all dies are here. All dies. This is using to forging the jobs. All. I will show you one difficult job processing. This is a job. It's die guidance. This is also for. This is for. That's also for. It's a heat treatment. Combination machine. This is heat treatment combination machines. So off now today. This is also it's rotating machines. Job rotating machine. So here also some rejections methods. So all it's a rejection. It's a board of board of his control panel here also see. So we stop now today.